people typically go to Starbucks to get a caramel frappuccino, but why go to Starbucks when you can go to the store and buy many ingredients to make multiple frappuccinos at home for cheaper? I like to drink coffee to get my day started, but I prefer cold blended coffee. There are a few things that you will need, such as a blender, ingredients, and toppings. So first you need to get your blender, put it on a flat surface, and plug it in. Then you start with your ingredients. So first you got to get coffee, creamer, milk, and your toppings all together. At first I use cold brew coffee. It's a concentrate, so I have to mix it with water. So I use 1/4 of a cup of coffee and 1/4 of a cup of water mixed together. Next, I use creamer and milk. So you can use 2% milk or you can use whole milk, whichever one you prefer, and creamer. I like to use vanilla caramel creamer because we're making caramel frappuccinos. So I use 1/4 of a cup of creamer and 1/4 of a cup of milk. I prefer 2% milk. And I mix them together and pour them in. Next, I used to use an espresso so I can put the caffeine into the coffee. So I like to use creamed espresso, and I use 1/2 cup of that, and I just mix that in with the other stuff. After I add in all my coffees, my milks, and my creamers, I put ice into my blender. I like to fill it up like halfway. This will make a large cup of coffee. Once I put all my ice in the blender, I like to top it off with caramel. Caramel makes it sweeter. It gives that sweet hint to it since I don't add sugar. You can add as much caramel as you want. I like to add a lot. Once you've added your caramel, you put your top on your blender. And then you blend it on whichever setting. I don't have settings. I just blend it all together until it's smooth. Once you have it all blended together, you pour it into your cup. Sometimes I like to drizzle my cup with caramel, so that's what I'm going to do today. So you take your caramel and you just drizzle it around the sides of your cup. Like that. Once you've drizzled your cup, you pour your coffee in. Once you pour your coffee into your cup, you take whatever toppings that you chose. So I like to use whipped cream. And I put whipped cream on top. And I drizzle it off with caramel. And then add a straw to drink it. So first, you get your blender and you plug it into an outlet on a flat surface. Second, get all your ingredients, measure them out, place them all in the blender, and blend it all together. Finally, pour your coffee in your cup and put on the toppings of your choice. A caramel frappuccino can be made with these 3 simple steps. They are easy to make and they save you money at home by making them at home.